Do you ever feel like your computer is running you instead of the other way around? Like your computer is a digital junk drawer, where finding that one important document feels like a treasure hunt? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, wrestling with basic computer tasks can eat up your precious time and totally zap your productivity. But what if I told you that mastering your computer isn't about complex coding or expensive upgrades? Well, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow who empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. This is about a few simple, powerful skills that will transform your digital life. In this video, I'm going to arm you with some essential computer operations that will make your tech experience smoother, faster and stress-free. Get ready to become the master of your machine. Let's kick things off with the exciting world of file management. Stop saving everything to your desktop. It's not a storage folder. Well, I suppose it kind of is, but you can make as many folders as you want, just get a bit more organised. For example, when I'm making these videos, I might need to save specific images, music, sound effects, videos to my computer. Therefore, it makes sense to create a OneConnect folder on my computer, and each video I do has its own folder. For longer videos I've done in the past with hundreds of different pieces of media, I've put them in separate folders too. It just saves a lot of headache down the line. Think of your computer storage like your house. Your house isn't just one big room, is it? You wouldn't just throw everything in one big pile. You've got your living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Create main categories, for example, work, personal, photos, and then specific subfolders within them. This simple act of organisation will save you hours of searching. Stop using names like Doc1 or Final Draft, really, Final Version 2. Be descriptive, include the date, project name and version number. For example, client name, proposal, and then your date after it. This makes finding any file a breeze with your computer's search function. Look, no one's perfect. I wouldn't expect you to put a date on every file you have. This is useful if you know you're going to have multiple drafts of something, like maybe your CV. Beyond that, just try and give your files a recognisable name that you will remember. Next up, the universally frustrating slow computer. There are quick, free ways to get your machine running smoother. This is your computer's command centre. Hit Ctrl+Shift+Escape on Windows or search for Activity Monitor on Mac. Look at the Processes tab. If an app you're not actively using is eating up huge amounts of CPU or memory, right click and end task or force quit on Mac. It's like clearing traffic on a busy road. Does your computer take forever to boot up? I know mine used to. A lot of apps try to launch as soon as you turn your computer on. In the Task Manager's Startup tab, you can disable programs you don't need to be running immediately. Your boot up time will thank you. I mean, yeah, I like listening to music and I'll make videos and thumbnails from time to time, but I don't really need Spotify and DaVinci Resolve and GIMP to launch each time I turn my computer on. Think of your browser's cache like a constantly growing junk drawer. Regularly clearing it can significantly speed up your internet browsing and free up disk space. It's a quick refresh for your online experience. If you want personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. Over there you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Do you need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check our website in the description below. Finally, let's talk about becoming a keyboard wizard. These shortcuts aren't just for tech gurus, they're for anyone who wants to save countless clicks and seconds each and every day. The cut, copy and paste trio. Doing it with the mouse just doesn't hit the same. You absolutely must know these. Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+X for cut and Ctrl+V for paste. Once you start using the keyboard for these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Made a mistake? Don't panic. Ctrl+Z is your undo button. It saved me from countless errors. And Ctrl+Y will redo an action, These are lifesavers too. For example, when I'm recording audio for these videos, I've got to silence parts of the commentary where you might hear some background noise. If I had to do that by mouse, that'd be very time consuming, but I can just hit Ctrl+Y each and every time I highlight an area, which saves me a lot of time. The search function. Looking for a specific word in a long document or a web page, hit Ctrl+F for find, type your keyword and boom, your computer finds it instantly. Are you juggling multiple apps? Hit Alt-Tab on Windows or Command-Tab on Mac to quickly switch between your open programs. No more clicking through the taskbar. I also use this all the time. Congratulations, you've equipped yourself with the fundamental skills to master your computer. Remember, conquer your clutter with smart file management, boost your performance by taming your computer speed, and unlock efficiency with essential keyboard shortcuts. Ready to put these into practice? Pick just one tip from today, maybe creating your first folder structure, and implement it right now. If this video helped you feel more confident and less stressed about your tech, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical tech tips, and tell me about it in the comments. What's your biggest computer frustration? I'll read and reply to everyone. And once you've done that, why not get in touch with our team for personalised support? Check our website in the description below, learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books and more. Check below for more information. See you next time and stay safe online.